YouTube? It's me, your host, Tuna, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so I'm outside of McDonald's. Just waiting for my food. I'm in the driveway right now. Let me hide that. You see that little name tag? Let me just hide that real quick. Anyway, waiting for my food to get done. About to give you this early review. It's actually of a shoe that's not hyped. I mean rightfully so. It's not really a hype shoe. It is a retro, but it released I think maybe like 3 years ago. I can't remember the exact date, but I think I got a review for that already. Like when it dropped a long time ago. So, little spoiler. I will not be getting this shoe. I'm not getting this shoe. I do not need this shoe. I feel like this shoe will be sitting on the shelves. So if I do want it later on, I know it's going to be easy for me to get it. So I'm not really pressed about the shoe. But I do want to give y'all a review for it because that's what this channel is for, to give y'all reviews. So on a side note, I definitely got to get, I got to take down some of me and my ex. Not no story time, but me and my former girlfriend, we are no longer together. I am single right now, so we got a lot of videos together. I need to take them down. So, anyway, enough to talk about that. As I get my food, I'm gonna snack up. Then I'm gonna go to the place, do the review, and then I'm gonna head back home and give y'all some information. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back in a little bit.
Okay, we got this standard Jordan box. Jordan in the center, Jumpman right there in the middle, black lid. This over Air Jordan 8 Retro, white, black, true red. This is size 8.5. So even though I will not be getting this, it is a personal pair. No reseller here. All right, open it. Got that standard black trash bag paper. I don't know why they always put this little cheap trash bag paper. But anyway, let's take these out. Put this back in there. Set these up. Boom, box ready. Put this on top of that. Boom. Push this back a little bit. All right, without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. Boom. Okay, Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. Just a classic shoe. Nothing special. You see the color patterns right there on the midsole, red, gray, white. See the X, there's the X formation right here across the strap with 23 in the center of it. Got that Bugs Bunny tongue, like that furry tongue. More of that color pattern on the lateral side. Air Jordan right there on the strap. I don't know what happened. My camera cut off for a second. But anyway, back. Just a plain white, gray, and red shoe. I mean, it's just you had to be there. Let's put it like that. You had to want this shoe because of the time that the shoe came out. 8s aren't popular anyway, so I mean, this is probably just popular because of the name alone. But just want to give y'all a quick little drop the shoe. Just want to give y'all a quick little look at this. This is probably like the 3rd or 4th time these dropped anyway. But let's go back to the house so I can give you some proper information, like retail and all that, release date and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Let's get on back. Yeah. Okay. I'm sitting over here because it's a little, yep, there we go. It's some good lighting in my room right here by the window. Over there is like completely dark. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy. I cut my finger. You can't really see it. But like I cut my, look at that. Look, you see that little cut? Them little cuts, boy, they hurt. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that review for the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunnies. I'm going to give y'all some information before I wrap this video up. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Usually I already had this stuff ready for y'all, but I was actually taking pictures. Like I was in Miami over the past weekend. And I wasn't able to be here to get the Gammas, but you probably can't see right there. But that is the right there. That's the Gammas right there. That's the 11s I got when I was down in Miami. Matter of fact, can I switch this? Hold on. Yeah, that's the 11s I got down there. They part of the city pack, whatever. I think these represent Atlanta or something like that. And that's my games right there. I was just taking my pictures for that's the shades, the red ones. I got that right before I left for Miami. I got those down in Miami, and these was here waiting for me. So yeah. All right, let me go back to me. Yeah, so I was just taking pictures for my Instagram or like that. So all right, hold on. Let's get this. Let's see. Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. All right, cool. See if we can go to where we always go, and that is Sneaker Bar Detroit. Hold on. Somebody just text me. No, nobody else. No info on Sneaker Bar. Hold on. Let me go. Sneakers. Sometimes I just gotta type it in. Bar. All right, here we go. All right, so it'll be up along with me, so you can read along with me if you want to. It'll be up in 3, 2, 1. Boom, it is up right now. I hate when the ads pop up right there. You can see that little ad right down the right hand side. Skip that. All right, Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny returns December 2025. Okay, official photos of the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny 2025 retro has been added below. A release date is set for December 20th in full family sizes. So that's this weekend. As part of the 40th anniversary celebration of the Air Jordan line, Jordan brand is revealing a fan favorite silhouette, the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. Originally released in 1993, this iconic colorway quickly became a staple in sneaker culture. Its 2025 comeback is sure to create buzz among sneaker enthusiasts and collectors. The Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny earned its nickname for its connection with beloved Looney Tunes character who appeared with Michael Jordan in the famous Hair Jordan campaign. The design perfectly reflects the bold and dramatic dynamic style of the early 90s with a white leather upper striking red and black accents and unique midfoot straps. This sneaker stands out. Tongue patch adds to the distinct look, making it a standout model in the Jordan lineup. The 2025 release aims to stay faithful to the original, replicating every detail to satisfy those who value authenticity. The high-cut silhouette, perform overlays, and multicolored patterns on the midsole will be included. However, expect improved material and construction. They always say that. Everything the same, but we upgraded. We made it better, I guess. Release date, yeah, they going for $215 USD on December 20th. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. I wish they was gonna talk about the last time they released those, cause I'm like pretty sure they got some more images for y'all too. I'm like 99% sure I already have a review for these up on my channel from like 3 years ago. I'm actually gonna look. I'm gonna look. I know I got a review for these because I had these. I had these. I got rid of them. That was one of the shoes that I got rid of because I was like, I just don't need it. It's just sitting in my room. I wasn't gonna wear no. You know what? I think I did wear them one time. Now that I think about it, I don't know. You know what? I'm kind of curious now. Give me 1 second. I do want to know the last time they dropped. Let's see. I do want to know because I know for a fact they dropped probably like 3-4 years ago. Bugs Bunny. I know it wasn't 2013. Release date. I know it wasn't 2013. Yeah, it's not even coming up. It's just saying 2025. But I know they came out before that. And I know I wore these. But, oh well. Yeah, oh well, it is what it is. Y'all let me know if this is a cop or drop for y'all. I'm saying right now it's a drop for me. I already said I'm not gonna get this shoe. I don't need this shoe. I don't need this shoe. I don't want this shoe. It's not an ugly shoe. I mean, if you nostalgia for like a classic retro, then yeah, I would say go ahead and get it. But like again, they're gonna be sitting there, so like you don't have to run to the store right now and get them. I guarantee y'all they're gonna be there. No matter what size you need, they're gonna be there. If I saw some Grape 5 sitting, so if the Grape 5 sitting, then these are definitely gonna be sitting. So anyway, but if you like them, I love them. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tube Squad. I got to mess up a little bit. You know what to do. Have a nice day.